Is UENI actually worth your money? That's the whole question. So let's do this properly. What it does, what it really costs, and where the fine print bites.
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. A done-for-you small business website, built for you rather than a builder you have to learn, a one-time build fee, promoted at $79 against a usual figure near $599, plus $24.99 per month, including domain, email, and a launch call. DIY editing is limited and the 7-day promise often slips.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. Paid plans kick in around $24 a month. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AI Builder Marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
It's done for you, which is the appeal and the catch. DIY editing and customization are limited, e-commerce and integrations are basic, and the most common complaint is the gap between the 7-day promise and reality, slow design turnaround, and patchy communication with the team. Expect some upselling. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, small business owners with no time or tech skills who want a professional site built for them, not another tool to learn.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you want full control over design, run a real e-commerce store, or need deep customization and integrations. A DIY builder gives you more freedom. So, the verdict: worth it if you're small business owners with no time or tech skills. Skip it if you want full control over design.
The complete UENI dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AI Builder Marketplace website. No sign up.
And if UENI isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used UENI yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts. And we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.